It started as a whisper. A low, rhythmic hum, pulsing from beneath 2 miles of solid ice. But when the seismometers at the remote Antarctic station picked it up, the researchers stopped laughing. The frequency was too regular, too structured, to be natural. And it was getting louder. This is the story of the signal that terrified scientists, a sound from the deep that has no explanation. For decades, the frozen continent has guarded its secrets. But in 2017, a team from the Polar Research Institute drilled down to Lake Mercer, a subglacial body of water that had been sealed off from the world for over 1 million years. What they found was not just liquid water, it was a thriving ecosystem, a hidden world of microbes and strange life forms. But the real shock came when they deployed hydrophones into the lake. The recordings revealed a sound that was unlike anything ever heard before. A rhythmic, almost melodic pulse, repeating at precise intervals. At first, they thought it was equipment malfunction. But the signal persisted, even after replacing all the gear. The frequency was too consistent to be ice cracking or shifting. Geologists were baffled. Biologists were intrigued. Could it be some giant unknown creature? The idea seemed absurd, but the pattern was too organized to be purely geological. As they analyzed the data, they realized the signal was not constant. It changed over time, almost as if it were responding to something. Could it be some form of communication? The implications were staggering. If it was a creature, it would have to be immense, larger than any known animal on Earth. But what could survive in that dark, cold abyss? And why the rhythmic pattern? The team kept their findings classified for months, fearing public panic. But a leak to a news outlet changed everything. The world watched as scientists argued on live television, unable to provide a definitive answer. Some proposed that the signal was caused by water flowing through a narrow channel, a kind of natural pipe organ. But that explanation failed to account for the pulse's complexity. Others suggested it was a malfunctioning sensor from a previous expedition, but the timing didn't match. The signal continued for months, then abruptly stopped one day. No one knows why. The team has since returned to the surface, but the mystery haunts them. They've kept the recordings, and they listen to them in the dark, trying to make sense of the pattern. Could it be a warning? A beacon? Or something else entirely? The answer lies beneath the ice, waiting to be discovered. But some secrets, perhaps, should stay buried.